Hello children, welcome to English grammar classes, and today we will be doing chapter 8 preposition, and this is the first part of this chapter. What a preposition is? A preposition is a word, okay, it is a word that joins nouns, pronouns or phrases to other words in a sentence. So that means preposition joins nouns, pronouns or phrase in a sentence. For example, we met after class. We is the pronoun, class is the noun and the relation, and it is being joined and showing the relation with the help of this preposition after. Preposition can be further categorized into three different forms. One is simple, the other one is compound, and the third one is complex. Or even you can call it as phrase. Okay, so we have simple preposition, compound preposition and complex or phrase preposition. Simple preposition. Simple preposition means in, at, near. Okay, so these are all simple preposition, that is one word preposition. Now compound, like within, inside, okay, that means the joining of two words, in and side, but it forms as one word. Okay, so when you have combination of words, we call it as compound. And what is complex? With respect to, in accordance to. Okay, so here we have more than one word, so we call it as phrase. Okay, so when you have more than one word, so such ones will go under complex or phrase preposition. Yeah, now let's go in detail. Simple preposition. Preposition at its basic form, that is single word. At, by, for, from, in, of, double F, on, to, with, up, etc. These are all simple preposition, that is single word preposition. So single word prepositions are called simple preposition. So these are some of the single word prepositions. Here already it's listed it out: in, on, at, by, from, about, over and so on. Now compound preposition generally formed by prefixing. Prefixing means words शुरू में use होते हैं, like illiterate, dishonest. So ill, dis, these are all prefixes of a preposition to a noun, an adjective or an adverb. For example, about, above, behind, below, within, without, inside, outside, between, beneath, amongst. These are all compound preposition. From when two or more words are combined to form one single word, okay, they are combined to form one single preposition, we have a compound preposition. For example, the book fell behind the cupboard. Complex or phrase preposition. Group of words used with force of a single preposition. For example, according to, by means of, in order to, with regard to, for the sake of, because of, away from. So these are all phrases. Okay, when you have 2 to 3 words together, we call it as a phrase. So the phrases are actually the complex preposition. When a group of words does the work of a single preposition, it is called a complex or phrase preposition. I parked the car in front of the gate. Exercise 1. Use simple, compound or complex preposition to fill in the blanks. Try not to repeat any preposition. There is a funny umbrella stand next to the door. In a recent survey, the boy-girl ratio has fallen again. The plants at the front door are beginning to dry up. You must start on time. Please look in the box beside the window. This is from your letter dated 26 March 2011. Life was simpler with all the modern technical devices that exist today. On the flight from Bagdogra, I sat along with a famous football star. Now, we will go further, going in detail, prepositions of place. See children, since it shows the relation between noun or pronoun, then it is very important that when you communicate also that you use proper preposition. So, understanding what these prepositions mean, it is very important. So, we will start with prepositions of place. Preposition of place, that means a specific point or area. Okay, specific point or area. Please wait at the reception desk. And when we are talking about address also, everybody gathered at 14 Park Street. Before the name of a place, we stood at the bus stop. So, preposition of place, this is when you are very sure, specific, when it is a specific point or area, particular address, before the name of a place. Then preposition of place, in, an enclosed space, okay, jo pura covered ho. The jewels are kept in a box, okay, enclosed area. We waited in the reception hall for 2 hours. When it is a large area like a town or a city, I live in Kerala, I live in Adipur, my school is in Adipur. I live in Kerala in a town called Alapura. Now, preposition of time. Preposition of time, at. See, preposition of place. Now, it is preposition of time. Again, you have at. So, at is always when it is specific. Whenever you have any specific detail to be given, it is always at. We have assembly at 8 a.m. We are very sure that time is given. What did you discuss at the meeting? With names of festival. Will you visit us at Diwali? Now, preposition of time, in. You would have seen that preposition of place and time more or less it's the same. At, in, we had in that also, it's here. So, the main concept of it remains the same, like at is used for specific. Now, in a period of time, in earlier we saw it was an enclosed area. So, a period of time, that is in minutes and hours. The courier will arrive in 2 hours. Time of day, we have the matches in the afternoon. Season, in winter it snows heavily in Srinagar. Month and year, we will get the results in May. Preposition of time, on, a particular day. On Christmas Day, everybody gets gifts. I was at work on Sunday. We had a holiday on 28 September 2009. Now we have exercise 2. Use appropriate prepositions of place and time to fill in the blanks. I was born in Shimla on a Thursday. There are muddy footprints on the floor. Who put all the old magazines in the cupboard? We celebrate Army Day on 15 January every year. I was part of the parade on Republic Day. After the holidays, it is difficult to get back to school. Yes, it's with everyone. Before going home, Jim bought a bunch of flowers for his wife. Have you looked at the couch for your shoes? I can't see Harsha. Mala is standing in front of her. I live near the old post office. Ours is a red house beside the road from the station. There is someone at the door. Who removed the pictures that were on the wall? Rahul's head reaches below my forehead. I'm taller. The picture is also there. I put all my woolens in a trunk.